They'll catch up with us one way or another. Oh, nice dog.
What? A nice dog? Is that what you said?
Yeah. It's all white.
Yeah. Very clean.
All white. Then you check the battery for.
Yeah, I see all the boats are in.
Yeah. You can capture them at the corner there. It's nice.
I see something on the ocean. What is that? So dark brown things. You see that?
Where?
Yeah. Where are those flags from the boat?
Dark brown, you say?
And those are flags from the boat.
I don't see
It's the flags from the boat.
You see, they've also installed a screen here. I think this didn't exist before. Huh?
This one is damaged, this sign.
Yeah, we got all kind of people. Let's keep going. Yeah. Watch out. There's a yellow cup. Cup. Another cup. That's gonna give me a nice short.
Yeah, exactly.
Some burgers. Burgers. Layers of burgers. This is where are we going on?
Where are we going for?
We have to cross. We can cross here and have an overview of our usual signature. Thank you. You either go to the right or. It's raining. It's raining.
The restaurants are gonna be packed in a second, man. Everybody running in.
You keep going on the wrong path. Shall we just go straight downstairs? Yeah, why not? Or we go to La Barca. Let's just go here.
It's going to be slippery, eh?
That's right. Oh, great menu.